Alright y'all, here's a quick tutorial on how to trade on E-Trade. How do you trade options? Here we go. Let's get into it. Go to the search bar. You're going to type in any option you want. I'm going to go with Airbnb. You're going to click trade, stocks, click options. Got to click the symbol again, Airbnb. Then you're going to want to go with calls or puts. I'm buying puts, buy puts, select. You can get the market type. I usually do market type because it does the market price anyways. Unless the candlestick jumps a lot, then you would just do a limit order. Try to do in between, 0.80 term, good for the day, and then preview, and then that would be it. Then you just place the order. Since the market's closed, I'm not gonna even do it, but that's all you do. Search. You can just call option, push options from here if you want. Big puts, shows you the puts. I don't like that because for some reason it's weird. It's weird, so I don't like it. Where we go FSLR, trade, stocks, change it to options, FSLR again. Wait till it loads so you can see where the price is at. Buy calls, buy to open, select. You want 10. There you go, preview. And then you just place the order. That's how you buy options on E-Trade on the mobile app. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.